This is the tomb of the longest tomb in the world of Nabi Imran. That's how long it is. I don't know the exact measurements yet, but we'll find out soon. I'm somewhere along the mid point of the tomb now.
Down.
And that's how long the tomb is.